Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Applewiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can set wallpaper with emojis. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you would have to do is open your settings. So after opening your settings, now scroll down until you see the option of wallpaper. Here you can see, tap on it. And in here you can see there is the option of add new wallpaper. Simply tap on it. So after tapping on it here, you will be able to see the option of emojis on the top right here. You can swipe left like this. Then here you can see beside the live photo option, there is the option of emoji. Tap on it. And after tapping on it here, you can see these are the emoji wallpaper. You can now customize your emoji however you want, just like this. I'm going to add in this emoji. You can choose whatever you want by simply just swiping like this. So here you can see I have added the emoji of my choice, and what you're gonna do is now tap on your wallpaper like this. And here you can see now you can add in whatever details that you want, like tapping on the add widget option like this and adding a widget of your choice. I'm simply just going to add in the cloud widget for now. And when you're done with widget, you can tap on this cross button like this. And you can also like increase and decrease the size of the time option right here by simply just tapping on the time option like this. And here you can see you can change the font color and font size however you want, like this or like this. And when you're done with it, again, tap on the into button like this. And when you're satisfied with all of this settings, you can simply just tap on the add button on the top right corner right here. And then you can see there is this pop-up where you have to tap on set as wallpaper pair, or you can customize the home screen by simply just tapping on customize home screen if you want to. I'm going to just set it as a wallpaper pair. So I'm going to tap on set as wallpaper pair like this. And now I have changed my wallpaper into emoji wallpaper. And just like this, you are all done. You can go back and see, this is your emoji wallpaper that we earlier created and set it. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.